Welcome to section 6, where we're going to continue our implementation of VPC networking and EC2 with Terraform. In our first video, we're going to create an elastic IP for a NAT gateway, the NAT gateway that we're going to create right after our elastic IP. So the elastic IP will give us the flexibility for NAT gateway to scale properly with a fixed IP address that we can just use and reserve from AWS. So let's get started on our implementation. In order to create an elastic IP address, all we have to do is go down and say resource AWS and EIP. And EIP is basically the elastic IP, the acronym. So I'm going to name this as elastic IP for NAT gateway. All right. So what I want to do is I want to use this elastic IP for my VPC networking. So I need to provide the VPC flag as true. And next up is to provide the association for my elastic IP, the IP address that I want to associate for this elastic IP within my VPC IP addresses. It sounds confusing, but it's pretty simple actually. So in order for VPC to understand and reserve this elastic IP a spot in its IP address space, it has to have an defined IP address within the VPC IP addressing capabilities. So I want to provide that capability, and I'll say associate with private IP. So again, I want to do this flexible enough so that anyone that is going to use this module can provide their own private IP address within the VPC. So I'll say var EIP association address. All right. So I'm just going to copy this variable and create it in my variables.tf. So variable EIP association address. All right. So if I want to go back and finalize my elastic IP implementation, I want to also add tags to my EIP, and I'll say name and production EIP. All right. Creating an elastic IP for NAT gateway or for any other purpose on AWS is pretty straightforward as you've seen.